ladies and gentlemen, I just got this big radio in the mail, okay? And look what it says. What does that say? I'll tell you right now. See, I even have the packing slip directly from Alpine. See? Okay. Alpine just came in today, and I want to open it. I shouldn't open it, but I'm gonna open it. So this says contains 409 X409-WRA-JL. So this is for the new JL Jeeps, okay guys? I don't even have nothing to open it with. I'm gonna use my camera thing. It's a little unconventional, but it will have to do. All right. And now, all it is a bigger blue box. Am I supposed to do this every show? Dude, that box is huge. For what? So this is the Alpine Restyle kit, okay? I'm telling you right now, I'm not filling this box at all. It needs to go. Okay. Let's go ahead and slice open the other one with my handy dandy knife. This box has more stuff in it, and I'm gonna find out what it is. A lot of bubbles, a lot of bubble wrap. A lot of bubble wrap. What the heck? It's like a clown thing. Was that necessary? So we got a manual that came in here. It's a limited warranty card. It's a book, like a Bible, tells you exactly what needs to go down. Bro, picture by picture. You don't have to even be an installer. They took care of you guys. I'll show that a little bit. Here's the creme de la creme, it looks like. There's one box. There is another disclaimer. Read this before installation. Our goal is to improve in-vehicle experience. Make sure you read that before you start installing. Oh, got this other big box. Okay, that's box number 2. Box number 3, little one. Box number 4, another little one. And an Alpine card notification. And that's it for that's all that's in this box, okay? So you get all these papers telling you what needs to be done, right? I'm gonna start with the smallest one first. So the small one right here, this is the harness kit for select vehicle Jeep vehicles. You know what? Let me switch this to the down-facing camera. All right, so here we go. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the down-forward image. So before I go, actually, I want to show you guys. Okay, so this is the first paper that's in here. Okay, you can read it. This is the second paper that's in there. It's another notice. Okay, and here is the manual. Okay, let me tell you guys something about this manual that Alpine has hooked you guys up with. Instructions very detailed. I can tell you right now, the details on this thing, unreal. Look at how much stuff is on here. It even tells you picture by picture how to take apart the car. Like, what more do you want? Alpine, you guys are killing me. You know what? For as much as you're paying on this radio, it better come with this because, you know, shoot. Plus, on top of that, they could have did it in color at least in color, right? Anyways, let's get back to this. Here's the first small box. We're gonna go ahead and open it up, and here is the harness. So this plugs into the factory radio, right? Gotta make sure we stay in focus. Okay, so this is gonna stay in the factory radio. Okay, cool. Here's another piece. Alpine's, looks like this is Alpine's own little version. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. So you got aux, 2 USBs, and HDMI. And this thing like flips over. Like, you know, when these little tabs, usually they get annoying, but this is easy. Just click it, put it over. That's really cool. So that's USB, 2 USBs, HDMI, the chime box, and this little thing here, which this looks like the extensions for the USB, the mini. This is probably adapters that are gonna fit the radio, the card. So that is. Nice Tesla tape. Look at all these weird, look at all these antenna connections, stereo control module ports. This is no joke. This is no joke. Here's the second one. This is another box that's in there, right? That's the model. Let me go ahead and open it for you. Ooh. Ooh, what is this? Look at this. It's in a nice fancy package. There's this box that came with it. Okay. There you go. That box that came with it. This is a 12 volt generator. Factory camera BSV interface. So this will help your factory camera work. And then also has this harness inside the box. This harness is gonna probably work with that to connect to the stereo. See? This is box number 3. Here we go. It looks like this is more intricate. Okay, so you got the brackets for the radio. These brackets seem like they're doing some business, you know? So I need to put this back the way I found it so I don't mess it up. Okay, that's the bracket. Under here, what is this? This looks like the bezel. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Ooh, look at that. What do you guys think? I'm gonna let this settle down. There you go. So on this bezel, my first reaction is gonna be like, it doesn't feel cheesy. It feels like it has a value to it. Doesn't feel plasticky, even though it is plastic. These buttons, just by pressing on them, my first attention is, yeah, they do feel kind of cheesy. They're not like perfect, but they're doing good. Okay, like it's something I can handle. So those are the buttons for the radio. You got the audio, volume, favorites, menu, camera, and that. Okay, so here is the bezel controller. On the back side, you have a plug and 2 other plugs. So in this bag, you're gonna have the metal bolts. You have this one. This is from the head unit. Has the microphone in. The microphone little adapter. These tiny little screws with little washers. Okay, bam. This is the last piece. This is heavy. This box is really heavy. So let's see what's in it. I believe this is the radio because we already saw everything else, right? So inside the radio box, you get another information packet with probably the manual and other important things. We get that beautiful bag that Alpine normally sends. Let's go ahead and go through the contents of what's in here. So we got that plug that has remote output, DVD remote, DVD status, remote status, or remote in. So this probably like has to do with a lot of data. The extension, I don't know what this is. This looks a little weird. It's like another plug. But it looks like it extends because it's the same plug. So it looks like it's an extension. What is this thing? Oh, this is the MRR. So this is the Maestro adapter, right? I don't want to open it because it's completely sealed, and I don't want to lose this part. So this is just the all it is. All this is this. So this is this. Okay, so you guys want to see what it looks like? Right there. So see that little module? That's what's in here. Okay. All right, more screws. Okay. This piece right here says, do not lose it. You got that. It's like the backup camera input adapter. GPS antenna, okay. USB, a black USB cable, and the audio RCAs. Believe it or not, guys, when Alpine had the original stereos, this was the cable that was like the best. Every radio from the D310 to all the other ones use this cable. So that's what's inside. Oh, and sorry, and this little foam thing was in. This is the screen. This is the physical monitor. Look at that. What do you guys think about that? Alpine's monitor. Cool. Somebody's fingerprints already on there, even though we just took this out. This thing, I don't know if it's supposed to stay there, but it's not coming off, this foam. So it probably is supposed to stay there. There's a lot of foam actually in this thing. But behind this thing, you got that plugs right there. Okay. You have the actual physical radio. This is maybe the brain. See that? Okay, so let's see what's behind this, because this thing is going to be the most important thing that you guys want to know what's back here. So straight off the back, you have this adapter, which is going to give you the XM, right? So this is for XM. And then we have this one, which is the CAN module, the USB, the display out. Okay, so that brown cable that was in that bag, the one that said I didn't know what it was, it's for this display. So it's the display extension. The power source, wired remotes. This is gonna be an extension key, probably like another plug. Then the PreOuts, so sound system, vehicle diagnostics, HDMI in and HDMI out. Oh my God, that's cool, good. HDMI in and out. That's what you're gonna have. Okay, this right here is for the GPS. So there's really nothing to do with this. This has nothing to do, or it has everything to do with it, I'm sorry. But I'm saying, like, this doesn't seem too crazy. Like, look at my hand, it's the size of my hand, you know? And that's probably gonna be hidden, but this is the main stones. So get it? Cool. And that's everything that's in the box. So cool. That's everything that's in the box. Got nothing else to say right now, but I want to show you what it looks like turned on, but it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to hook it up, because really this is not no easy task to be putting stuff together. So I'm not going to turn it on, because it's pretty much, I think this and this is the same as that Halo right there. It's just in a different platform. So the way it looks should probably be the same, but I'm not gonna say that because we don't know, right? We don't know. I'm assuming, but it's pretty much the same basics. Cool, guys. If you have any questions about it, hit us up. Your boy Anthony's gonna be gone now. I'm out here, 500. I don't have a hat again. I don't know what's up with me tutorials and not having a hat, but I don't have a hat. Cool people. Peace out.